Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to convert an Excel document into a Word document. So you can clearly see that this is an Excel document. I've got a table over here, and what we want to do is you can see we want to take this and we want to open it in Microsoft Word. So what you want to first do is open up your Microsoft Word desktop app, and you want a clean document. We're going to go over to insert, and all the way on the right hand side you will see object, and you are going to tap on object. So this will insert an embedded object. From here you want to tap on create from file and make sure that the link to file option is turned on. Now from here you want to go ahead and tap on browse. Now, depending on where your Excel document is, you can see over here, this is the one that we're working with, and you want to locate it on your device and tap on insert. Once you've tapped on insert, you can see that that's where it is. You can go ahead and tap on OK. Now, alternatively, what you can do is you can open up your File Explorer, and if you can tap on the actual document itself and click in over here, if you right click and say copy, you can actually paste that path in over here and you'll get the same results. We're going to tap on OK, and now you can see that this has actually been pulled from here. Now, of course, the sizing is slightly different, so all you'd have to do is modify this, move it around, and make sure that it is sized correctly so that it can fit into your page. If this was helpful, please do drop us a big old thumbs up. We'll see you in another amazing video. Cheers.